Okay, so here I am. This is problem number 1. If you're doing this on paper, please number your papers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 problems here. If you are really struggling, do as much as you can. Email me and we'll set up a meeting for tomorrow. So the big thing that's different here, that's slightly more complicated, is that you have to figure out the parent genotypes. So you're really going to have to read. Floppy ears are dominant to straight ears. So floppy ears are going to be our capital letter. A heterozygous rabbit and a homozygous recessive rabbit mate together. Complete the Punnett squares for the possible offspring genotypes. Use the letter F to represent the alleles. So the first thing you need to process is capital F is dominant, so it's floppy. Lowercase f is recessive, so it's straight. So parent 1 is a heterozygous rabbit. Well, we don't really have to think about that much. I accidentally moved the box. You just say heterozygous means different, capital F, lowercase f. Okay, parent 2 genotype. So a heterozygous rabbit and a homozygous recessive rabbit. Homozygous recessive. Recessive means lowercase letter. Homozygous means they're the same. So this one, you will type in lowercase f, lowercase f. Pretty simple. All right, it does not matter which parent you put in the top boxes versus the side. I just do whichever comes first, goes top, capital F, lowercase f, and over here, lowercase f, lowercase f. If you prefer to do this on paper, I'm totally fine with that. That's why I've shown you those examples. So here we go. Down, capital F down, and across, lowercase f. Stay here. Down goes the capital F, and across, lowercase f. Okay, here we are on this one. Lowercase f goes down, and across, lowercase f, down, lowercase f, across, lowercase f. Pretty fast. All right, so below each bunny, write down the 4 genotypes you worked out. So there are 4 different possible genotypes, although some of them repeat. So we do capital F, lowercase f, capital F, lowercase f, lowercase f, lowercase f, lowercase f. All right, now let's think, what would their ears look like? Floppy are dominant, straight are recessive. So this guy's straight, so we're looking at the homozygous recessive. Just drag and drop the little guy's ears on there. They're kind of cute, aren't they? Okay, and over here we got 2 floppies because they're heterozygous and floppy is dominant. All right, so now this should be a little bit easier. Write down the % chance of each phenotype. So it's not asking you so much for the % of the genotypes. So for floppy, we've got 1, 2 out of the 4. So you are free to put 2 out of 4, or you can put the %, whichever one, you can put both. Okay, and then we've got straight ears. So that one would be 2 out of 4, 50%. Okay, so you want to go through the rest of these. Check your work here, fix your work. If you are getting started and it is during office hours and you are really panicked, just email me and I will immediately send you a link and we can do some of these together.